Hi, to open a file in CloudCompare, go to File in the menu bar, then choose Open. You can also use a shortcut. On Mac, press Command-O. On Windows and Linux, press Control-O. You can also drag and drop files straight into the 3D view. Opening is read-only. CloudCompare loads the data without editing the source file. Any changes you make exist only in this session until you save or export. In the Open dialog, you can use the File Type drop-down to filter formats in order to find your file more easily. If you already see your file right away, you can simply leave it on All Files or All Dot, depending on your operating system. CloudCompare will detect the format from the file extension. Then, select the file you'd like to import. If you want multiple files, on Mac you can hold Command, on Windows and Linux Control, and click Additional Files. And for a range of files, you can hold Shift on any operating system. Once you're happy with the selection, click Open. If you open an ASCII file, meaning a human-readable text file, CloudCompare will show an import dialog. Typically, the first columns are X, Y, Z coordinates. Most of the time, these are relatively big numbers because we typically work with distances in meters. Make sure the separator matches your file. A separator is the character between columns, like a comma, a semicolon, or just a space or tab. Also, skip the header lines if your file starts with comments or column names. CloudCompare usually detects them anyway and marks them in red. Then map each column. CloudCompare usually recognizes X, Y, Z automatically, but it can struggle to distinguish color from other numeric data, so double-check those columns. If you have color, map R, G, B, and note that color may be stored as 0 to 255 integers or as 0 to 1 floats, so choose the matching option. If you're not sure which columns are color, especially when you also have other numeric data, look for negative numbers. Color values are always 0 or above, whether they're stored as integers or floats. After that, if you have extra numeric data, like intensity or other values, import them as additional value columns. Any column you don't need can be set to ignore. If your file is binary, so not human readable, you won't get the ASCII column mapping dialog. But you will get either a similar import dialog without the file content being visible, or it will be imported directly without a dialog. Finally, if a global shift and scale warning appears, it usually means your coordinates are very large. In most cases, accept the shift to avoid precision issues. At this point, CloudCompare loads the result into the DB tree. That's the object list on the left, where you can see and select everything you imported. These objects appear as entities, for example, point clouds or meshes. You may also see a group named after the file name. That's just organization. It's not linked to the original file. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.